Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a location to your doodles or meetings and events on Doodle, be it a virtual or physical place. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your Doodle dashboard and then scroll down here in the dashboard, select See All Doodles, and then you may create a new one or go through one of these, right? So let me create a new one by clicking to this button, then create here, select the type of the doodle, and then go through that setup here, right? So descriptions are optional, locations are optional as well. You can add a location here, for example, I don't know, New York City, town hall or something like that. So add the location here to have it added to your invitation to the event. But you can also go with a virtual meeting like video conferencing. Click into video conferencing here. Select the external video conferencing platform like Google Meet or Zoom. Just make sure, guys, that once you have created the given event, make sure that you navigate to the given platform like Google Meet, create the event there, and also share the invitation link to the virtual meeting with your participants upfront so that they may accept the invitation and join the video conference, for example, right? So it depends on which platform you use, right? So if you're on Zoom, navigate to Zoom, create that event there with the exact time slot you have here on Doodle, and that's basically it, guys. Confirm by clicking into create and share here. You may add a location here as well for the session, and that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.